I'll show you how to change YouTube display language. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. While you're on YouTube, just click on your profile icon. From this screen, scroll down and click on display language. Currently my display language is in English. You click on that, and then you have a list that presents you with different language you can select from. There are so many here: English India, English UK, English US, Filipino. There's a lot you can actually select from. This is Portuguese. Let's choose this for instance. Once you click on a language, YouTube will automatically refresh, and then you see that the language has changed here. Look down here, you can see that it has changed. And if you click on this screen again, you realize that this menu list here is not displayed on Portuguese. If you want to change it back, you just come back here. You can look out for this sign. I'm going to change mine back to English US. And that is it. We've changed that back to English.